Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your homes. So class 4, it's your maths period and I am your maths teacher Miss Faiza Tahir and it's our lecture number 23. Class, as you know, we have started our unit number 2, which is factors and multiples. And in our previous lecture we learned how to find HCF with using factors. So for today we are going to learn HCF, highest common factor, by using prime factorization method. You can also say division method. Okay, I think we have also learned division method. We learned to find prime factors using division method, है ना? So students, how to find HCF by division method? So here we have, start with the smallest prime number which completely divides the number, leaving no remainder. The colored part, smallest prime number, show that we have to take prime number. In our previous lecture, we find HCF with using factors. But here we have to use factors which are prime numbers. Okay. So this is the first step and you have to divide till it reach 1. Now what you have to do? You have to then look for common prime factors. After, write the prime factors of the numbers and then circle the common prime factors, and in last you have to look for the highest common factor as we did in our previous lecture. We wrote factors of the numbers, then we circle the common factors, then write the common factors, and from the common factors we have to write the HCF. HCF means highest common factor, the greatest value among the common factors. Now class, we are going to start our copy work. Now take out your copies, mark date and day, draw margin lines. In class, it is page number 39, question number 8, part A and E. I am going to solve part A. Find the HCF using division method, and part A is 12 and 20. Now class, let's start. We have to first look for the smallest prime number, and the focus is on prime number. The number should be prime. So as class, 12 is even number and even number is divisible by 2. 2 is a smallest prime number. Now class, 2, 6 are 12. Now we have 6. 6 is also divisible by 2. 2, 3s are 6. Now we have 3. 3 3s are 1. We have to divide till it reach 1. Okay. Now we have 20. 2 10s are 20. We have 10 now. 10 is also divisible by 2 and 2 is the smallest prime number and prime factor also. 2 5s are 10. Now we have 5. 5 is only divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5. Now class, these are the prime factors of 12 and these are the prime factors of 20. Clear? The next step is we have to write the factors of 12 and 20. Okay? Now write prime factors of 12, which is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Clear? Now prime factors of 20 are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Clear? Now students, the next step is we have to make a loop. We have to circle the common factors. So here we have common factors 2 and 2. Here we have common factors 2 and 2. So common factors are 2 into 2. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4. In our previous lecture class, we have to look for the highest common factor, but in this method we have to multiply the common factors. Okay, we have to multiply the common factors to get HCF. 2 2s are 4, so our HCF is 4. Okay, students, you have to do the part E by yourself, as I have solved part A for you. Now it's page number 39 and question number 9, part E and F. Circle the numbers that are co-prime numbers. Last we have learnt about co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are two numbers which has one as their common factors. कोई से भी दो नंबर जिसका कॉमन फैक्टर सिर्फ 1 हो. अगर 1 से ज़्यादा कॉमन फैक्टर्स होंगे या 1 के अलावा कोई और डिजिट होगा कॉमन फैक्टर, तो वो कोप्राइम नंबर्स नहीं होते. So here we have part E and F, and I am going to solve part E, which is 5 and 10. So first we have to write the factors of 5 and 10. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5, and the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. As the color numbers show the common factors, which are same in both the factors of 5 and 10. These are common factors 1 and 5. You can see 1 and 5. So class, the common factors are more than 1 means the digit other than 1, and co-prime numbers are those numbers which has only 1 as their common factors. So do you think these are this 5 and 10, the numbers 5 and 10 are co-prime numbers? No. They are not co-prime numbers. Okay? You have to solve part E by yourself, students. I hope you have understood the concept of HCF by prime factorization method by division method. So do your work neatly with neat handwriting and with your proper date and day marked. So class, for today our maths diary is page number 39 and word problem 2. You have to solve it on your homework copy. Thank you बच्चों. Allah Hafiz.